Hello everyone, welcome to my unboxing and initial impressions of the Finalmouse Ninja Air58. Here it is, I got it about 2 days ago. This is what the box looks like. Nothing too impressive, just a regular box. Got the teal color, and there it is. It's been nothing else in there. A little card. It says Finalmouse. Yep, simple packaging. And let's take it out. That's it. Bye-bye packaging. All right, you got the teal color, and cable feels pretty good. Very soft. Let's take off these tires. Remember to save these. These are very useful. Alright, let's compare to, boom, the Finalmouse Ultralight in white. So first off, my Ultralight has the these special feet that was upgraded, and this is what comes on the new one. So I'm gonna have to test it to see if I like the stock feet or if the upgraded ones from are better. And then also this has an upgraded paracord as well, and you don't need to use a mouse bungee. It's almost like there's no cable. This one feels a little bit stiffer, but I'll have to use it to see. Now, is it lighter? Yes, very small amount. It's lighter. How does it feel? Feels maybe a little more softer. These cutouts are pretty cool. So that's when you get that extra weight savings from these extra holes that they cut out of the mouse. The wheel is flatter. This is a flatter wheel, and this is more rounded. That's really probably most of the differences, so I'll have to give it a go doing some gaming to see if I like the new one or the old one. Now, these are sold out and it may take a long time to get back in stock. If you want one, eBay is your friend, but you're gonna have to spend a little extra. So I'll have to give this a go, and maybe I'll make another video to report back to see if it's improved or not. Thank you. See you next time.